So I'm going to be talking about my STEM bus field experience. First, I learned a lot through helping the teachers and the students. For each different activity, I was able to help the teachers and the other volunteers set up. And we also would explain each activity to the students and answer any questions that the kids have and just help guide them through the lesson basically. We got to work with different grades each activity, and each grade had a different activity, so I was constantly learning a new lesson that I would then therefore teach to the new grade, um, which was really helpful in learning how to learn a lesson myself and then immediately follow up and teach it to other students. Technology that we used, there was a presentation before each activity that explained the activity to the students before they came back and actually began the activity that they would be doing. Each activity was very hands-on, so there wasn't as much technological use. A few of them required them to use their iPads for a couple different things, but other than that, there was not very many technological activities that the kids were learning. So something I might add next time would be some sort of activity that is teaching them some sort of online skill or technology skill that they can therefore maybe use in the classroom or in some sort of future event. Some positives from the experience. I really, really enjoyed getting to work with kids and getting to work with them in smaller groups at a time. I feel like it was really beneficial in helping me learn how to teach kids something that, like, even it was something I just learned, so I didn't maybe fully understand yet, but teaching it helps me to understand and helps them to understand. And we were kind of able to work together through each activity. Each grade had a new activity that they were participating in, so it was different every time, and obviously it's different with each grade to different ages of kids. But I was able to answer a lot of questions and teach mini lessons throughout the day, which I really enjoyed doing. Some difficulties throughout this experience. I was learning a new lesson for each grade that came in, so it was really fast paced and it was kind of hard to fully learn the lesson in such a short amount of time. So I felt like I was kind of also learning along with the kids as they go. So this did make it kind of difficult to answer questions at times if I maybe didn't necessarily know the answer. And the activities were moving so fast paced. But I just did my best to keep up and learn as much as I could before the new group of students came in. So some improvements I might add next time would be maybe giving us a little more time to prepare beforehand. Um, before each group of students comes in, just to make sure that all the volunteers are fully prepared to answer any questions that the students have and make sure that the students know that we're there to help them and guide them through the activity. Um, a lot that I learned for my future, it gave me a lot of confidence in my future as a teacher. I feel like gaining experience like that hands-on where I'm directly interacting and teaching students is very, very valuable experience and helps me learn a lot about like how to teach. I was able to teach different grades, which was nice, and also just teaching different types of learners and different types of students and accommodating to their needs throughout each activity. And we were just able to achieve a lot in a short amount of time, which gives me a lot of confidence that when it's in a real classroom environment and you have even more time spread out, obviously, and with your same students, it can only go smoother.